Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made pani puri. The ingredients are listed in the description box. First is to make the potato filling by boiling, straining, and mashing the potatoes. Then adding chopped onions, followed by salt, coriander powder, cumin, chili powder, and mix it together until well combined, then set it aside. Next is to make the tamarind flavor water by combining tamarind paste, coriander powder, cumin, cold water, salt, chaat masala, brown sugar, and mixing it together until well combined. Now let's make the puri. I'll be using this instant puri flakes. In a hot oil, drop in the puri flakes and wait for it to puff up, and once it has turned into golden brown, you may scoop it and set it aside. Finally, let's make the pani puri masala flavored water. I'll be using this brand. In a cold water, add in the masala powder, mix it together, then add ice cubes and cilantro leaves, and stir it one last time. Now that all the preparations are done, you may now set it up and begin eating the pani puri. Poke the puri to make a hole and put in the stuffing. Then pour the flavored water of your choice and then pop it in your mouth. Eat as many as you can. Enjoy!